Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Android and Play Store are updated and you are signed into the Google account you use. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi so settings sync quickly, then open the Play Store app and tap your profile icon in the top right. You're now at the account menu. From here, you'll access settings that control ads, notifications, and app permissions. This is the gateway to reduce or stop ads from appearing. You'll now change the specific settings that limit ads. First, go to Settings Right Arrow General Right Arrow Account and Device Preferences. There you can disable personalized ads and ad tracking so Play doesn't use your activity to target promotions. Next, make sure Auto Update is set to over Wi-Fi only or disabled if updates trigger promotional banners. Also open notifications and turn off promotional notifications. These steps cut the data signals advertisers rely on and reduce the frequency of Play Store ad placements. Finish by clearing residual data. Go to Android Settings, Right Arrow Apps, Right Arrow Google Play Store, Right Arrow Storage, then clear cache, and if necessary, clear data. This removes temporary ad profiles. If you see persistent ads, uninstall recently installed or suspicious apps and disable Play Store beta or experiments in settings. Restart your phone to apply changes. If ads still appear, make sure Play Services is updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.